Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an Audi R8 easily. We'll start by laying down the fundamental shapes. First, sketch a long, flat rectangle for the car's main body, about 3 times as long as it is tall. Then, add a smaller, rounded rectangle on top for the cabin, making sure it sits towards the rear 2/3 of the main body. This initial framework is crucial for establishing the correct proportions and dynamic stance of the R8, setting the stage for all the exciting details to come. Now, let's give our R8 some wheels and define its powerful stance. Carefully draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced along the base of your main body rectangle. Remember, the front wheels should appear slightly larger than the rear ones to convey perspective. Next, create prominent, rounded wheel arches around each wheel, following their natural curve. This step is vital for capturing the car's aggressive and low-slung profile, giving it that unmistakable Audi R8 presence. With the basic structure in place, it's time to bring out the R8's distinctive body lines and details. Connect your initial shapes with smooth, flowing lines, giving the car its sleek silhouette. Don't forget to add the iconic side blade, a defining feature located just behind the doors. Next, sketch the sleek, angular headlights and taillights, paying attention to their sharp edges. Finally, include the large, trapezoidal front grille and the aggressive air intakes to complete the sporty, high-performance aesthetic. For our final step, we'll refine your drawing and add some impressive depth. Carefully erase all the initial guidelines, leaving only your clean, defined Audi R8. Now, introduce subtle shading to create volume and highlight the car's beautiful contours. Use darker lines for the sharp edges and lighter strokes for reflections on the bodywork. Consider adding small, precise details like door handles, side mirrors, and brake calipers to truly bring your drawing to life. You've just drawn an amazing Audi R8.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.